Hello guys, welcome to the channel for Mania. So in today's video, we are going to unbox the OnePlus Nord C3 Lite, and this is the 8GB 128GB variant of the OnePlus Nord C3 Lite in the pastel lime color. So guys, let's start off from the unboxing. Okay, so here is the OnePlus logo. So let's see what are we getting over here. Most probably the Nord with as ejector tool, then a quick start guide, safety guide, some Nord stickers, membership card, and then a case. Okay, and okay, so guys, here is the phone itself. Let's keep it aside and let's check what else do we get over here. Okay, so here we are getting an 80-watt superbook adapter. Okay, and then USB type A to type C data cables over here. So you can see USB type A to USB type C. So guys, the OnePlus Nord C3 Lite, the pastel lime color. Okay, okay, headphone jack is there, speaker grill, USB type C charging port, volume rockers, SIM ejector tray and all, and side mounted fingerprint scanner. Okay, and guys, surprisingly the OnePlus did a really great job. You can see with screen guard, you can see it comes with a pre-applied screen guard over here, and this is not just the paper, this is a proper glass type tempered glass which is applied on the OnePlus Nord C3 Lite, and along with that we are also getting a case over here. So anyways, that is very good. So you are good to go completely with the case along with the tempered glass. So this is it how it looks with the case.